Hi children, now we will discuss about the median. So first write the formula of median for the grouped data. Explain the terms in the words. So here see formula of median for the grouped data they given. So median m is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So now look at the each L is the lower boundary of the median class. So first to find out the median, first we will draw one tabular form. In that first we will find out the median class in that lower bound. Next n means total number of values, means you can say sum of the frequencies. So if you know n, you will get n by 2. CF means cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, means first we will find out median class. For that preceding class you have to consider as cumulative frequency. F means frequency of the median class. L means the length of the class interval. So these questions they will ask for 4 marks. So write the formula for median and explain the each terms. Like that mean mode also they will ask. Now look at one problem. So now you can see in 8 marks question. The distribution below given the lengths of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. So they given number of students weights. So 40 to 45 kgs weight 2 students are there. 45 to 50 kgs weight 3 students are there. 50 to 55 kgs weight 8 students. So like that they given some information. For that we have to find out the median weight of the students. So to find out the median we need only 3 columns. Here first class intervals, they given class intervals as weight in kgs. Next frequencies means nothing but number of students. Next here the extra column you have to find out is cumulative frequencies. So class intervals 40 to 45 2 members, 45 to 53. So now first form the table by using those. Next how to find out cumulative frequency is 2 will be same. To get the next value you have to add the previous value 2. 2 plus 3 gives 5. Next 5 plus 8 gives 13. Next 13 plus 6 gives 19. So like that you will get the cumulative frequencies. First frequency is the same. Next 2 plus 3 5. Next 5 plus 8 13. Next 13 plus 6 19. Next 19 plus 6 25. Like that you will get the cumulative frequencies. So finally you will get the last value is sum of the frequencies 30. So here first from the table n value is 30. So if you add these all you will get n value 30. So n means here nothing but the sum of the frequencies, it gives 30. So n value 30 means n by 2 is equals to 30 by 2 15 you will get. Now if you observe n by 2 15, so this is the main point you have to remember in the median. So n by 2 15 means this 15 which is nearer to the median class in the cumulative frequencies. So if you observe means this 15 is nearer to the 19. That corresponding is the median class. Here I circle this value, see. So n by 2 value is 15. That 15 once you can check in the cumulative frequency which is nearer. So you can say 19. So that one is you can say as the median class. So the corresponding frequency is the F and the corresponding class interval is the median class. So in that median class 55 to 60, that lower limit is called the L value. Here you have to remember carefully. Once again I am explaining. 15 n by 2 is 15. So for that 15 you can see in the cumulative frequencies. So it is nearer to 19. So that 19 corresponding frequencies and the class interval is called the median class. So this is the median class in that lower limit. I circle here, that is the L value 55 and the corresponding frequency is the F 6. Now what is CF? What is CF means median class preceding. Preceding means before. So this is the median class that preceding means before value 13, that is the CF. Okay, so CF is 13. So now we can apply these all values in the formula. So H means, as like I said in the mean, difference of the upper and lower limits. 45 minus 45, 50 to 50, 50 minus 45, 5. So that is the same. Now median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now substitute the formula. L value is 55 plus n by 2 means 15 minus CF is 13 by F value 6 into 5. So now solve 15 minus 13 gives 2. 2 by 6. 2 1s 2 3s 5. 55 plus 1 into 5, 5 by 3. 5 by 3 do division, you will get 1.67 and add those. So you will get 56.67 kgs, that is the median. So in this whole problem you have to remember only one, that is to finding the median class. Median class to find out means before you have to find out n by 2. So n by 2 15. So in cumulative frequency you have to check which is nearer value, 19. The corresponding class interval and frequency is the median class. That preceding that word you have to remember, not that median class cumulative frequency, preceding of the median class. So preceding means previous value, that is the CF. So you can find out these all values and you have to substitute in the formula, you will get the median value. So median of the student weights is 56.67 kgs. Now same like this median, we have to find out the missing frequencies. Now look at those problems, missing frequencies. Here you can see, if the median of 60 observations given below, so is 28.5. So they given median value 28.5. Now find the values of x and y. So this problem is there in your exercise 14.3, second problem. So here we have to find out the missing frequencies x and y. So first look at the information they given, class intervals and frequencies. So just make the columns, class intervals column, frequencies column. Next, to find out the median, for median means we need cumulative frequencies table. So 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 20, x, like that you have to do. Now after that cumulative frequencies add here carefully. So first 5 is 5 you will get. Next frequency you have to add, you will get 5 plus x. 5 is the number, x is the variable, so you can't add, so keep like this. Next 5 plus x plus 20. So how we will get means 5 plus x is the previous value, now you have to add plus 20. So you will get 25 plus x. Next 25 plus x plus 15 means 40 plus x. Next 40 plus x plus 5 means you will get like this. So next 40 plus x plus 5 means plus 5 you have to add, you will get 45 plus x plus 5. These are the cumulative frequencies values. So here x and y are there. So while you are finding the cumulative frequencies, please be careful. Now they given already median 28.5. Now first we have to find out the median class. Median class means here n value 60. So n value 60 means then what is n by 2? N by 2 is 60 by 2 gives 30. So 30 if you observe here means it can be near to 25 plus x. So 25 plus means which may be nearer to 30. X means we don't know, but just 25 plus x means you can say that it can be nearer to 30. So we can consider the median class is the corresponding frequencies and the class interval. So 25 plus x, that corresponding frequency and class interval you can round off. If in frequency f is 20, so this is the median class. In that lower limit 20 is called the L value. So L value we got 20. So f also we got. If you know f means that preceding value is the CF. So f is 20, then preceding value means 5 plus x gives CF, cumulative frequencies. So we got CF value, F value and the median L value. So now see, if you observe from the above table, sum of the frequencies gives 45 plus x plus 5. So if you want means you can add, if you add those all numbers you will get 45, x and y are the variables. So 45 plus x plus 5. So n value 10 value 60, how can we consider the 10 value 60 means if we observed in the question if the median of 60 observations, so total observations we can say as a frequency. So here n value, the total observations is 60, so n value is 60, or you can say sum of the frequencies. If you add all frequencies means you will get the total observations. So n value is 60. So 45 plus x plus y, n value from table we got 45 plus x plus y, that is equals to 60. So from that x plus y we gives 15, means 60 minus 45 gives 15. So let it be equation 1. So in next they given median already 28.5. Now write the values, L value, lower bound value, lower limit L 20 and f value is 20, cumulative frequencies is 5 plus x. Next h is the same for every problem, length of the class interval means difference of lower limit and upper limit. Okay, next. So we know that the median formula, apply median formula, L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. So median means 28.5 is equals to L value 22 n by 2. Here once you can see the calculation. So median formula L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. See, here you have to remember one point, h value 10 means it will get a difference of upper and lower limits for only exclusive classes. Exclusive class intervals means continuation class intervals. Suppose if class intervals are not continuous means you have to take the average of the previous lower limit of the class to the upper limit of the class. For next problem I will explain that one. Now see, median means 28.5, L value is 20 plus n by 2, n we got 60 by 2 minus cumulative frequency is 5 plus x by frequency is 20 into h is 10. So 10 ones, 10 twos. So 28.5 is equals to 20 plus 60 by 2, 30. So minus 5 minus x by 2. Multiply minus inside. Next take that plus 20 to this side. 28.5 minus 20 is equals to 30 minus 5, 25 minus x by 2. So 28.5 minus 20 if you remove this you will get 8.5 which is equals to 25 minus x by 2. Next take the cross multiplication, 2 into 8.5 is equals to 25 minus x. So 2 into 8.5 gives 17 which is equals to 25 minus x. So x is having negative. So send that x to RHS, it will become plus x. Now 25 minus 17 gives x value 8. So x value will get 8. Substitute that x value in the equation 1. So substitute in place of x 8. So 8 plus y is equals to 15. Y is equals to 15 minus 8 which gives 7. So x value 8 and y value is 7. Okay children. So while you are finding the median, we have to remember only cumulative frequencies. So CF. So then how to find out the median class means you have to check the n by 2 value. So for that n by 2 which is greater than or equals to value you have to verify. So n by 2 30 means approximately you can consider 25 plus x is the nearest value and the corresponding frequency and the class interval is called median class. Okay children. Okay, in next video we will explain about the mode. Okay, thank you children.